My name is Asaf Cohen. I'm from Batya. I go to this bar. There's a girl, from English, and I come to her. I smile. Sexy, she does like this. I think she wants big bed, English. I say I have big bed. So I go, but I think maybe English. It's mating. I don't know. I check. I come to bathroom to check. I'm looking at application. How to say? We come in peace. Like Paris. I look at the app of the iPhone. I look. It said loading. After loading, it said I'm me dickhead. Do I look like a dickhead? What the fuck? I say, של האמא של הזונה. So I go back down, and then I get the gesture from Israel, I give them let her check that on the iPhone.
I'm sexy and I know it.